What up? It's Will Vitela, home tech expert, back in our hometown in Brea, California, helping out another wonderful family, installing some hardwired Ring Pro outdoor cameras. Cameras with floodlights around the house, from the side gate to the patio to the front of the house. Being able to customize the installation and do it clean and simple is what we do at Home Tech Expert. Look how clean and simple and professional this looks. This is the Ring Pro floodlight camera that's overlooking the driveway as well as the walkway leading up to the front door. Looking at the front door, I ripped out an old circular Skybell video doorbell that left its ugly ring, so I created this custom gray backplate to make it look clean and professional with this Ring video doorbell, the second generation, that can see the packages down to the floor to above a basketball player's head. If you want to get something done like this professionally, go to hometechexpert.com and click on schedule a free estimate.